Meet FlowGIS, an innovative GIS-centric software that enables utilities and municipalities to support workflows, streamline maintenance operations, and make data-driven decisions to improve asset performance, maintain compliance, and reduce costs. With FlowGIS, you get offline data access and data collection, automated task scheduling and assignment for field operations, real-time access to asset history and related file attachments, data visualization and in-depth reports, enhance safety, improve regulatory compliance, and reduce operational costs with FlowGIS.